欢迎收看小老婆机车资讯网，我是大毛 Singer。有没有看到这边满满的都是雅马哈的旗帜跟很多人？因为今天9月29号，雅马哈台湾办了2位 MotoGP 场队车手的见面会跟签名会。那2位车手呢是谁？大家很熟悉的腊肉 Quartararo 跟 Alex Rins。那这2位呢，在昨天跑完 MotoGP 日本站之后，今天要直接来台湾跟车迷们见面了，非常的兴奋，非常开心。我们走吧，看一下，现场只有200个名额，所以一下就秒杀，大家可以看一下，满满的。然后还有期待进站啊，果然呢。
Welcome, welcome on stage！ 手机放下来，给他们掌声！我们欢迎42号 Alex Rins，Number 20 Fabio Quartararo。
Hi everyone, really nice to be here to see you all, and really happy that see how you're passionate about MotoGP. So hope you enjoy the night.
Alex, why don't you say hi to all our fans here in Taipei?
Thank you for the warm welcome. For me, it's first time here in Taipei, so I'm really grateful to see you all here. Thank you for the cheering and yeah, pulas. Ni hao, what's Alex?
Yeah!
Yeah, wow, wasung Bobby.
Yeah! Did you guys see a lot of motorcycles, scooters outside?
I didn't see that much. Is it on the parking? Parking light was.
You saw the parking,
Yeah,
but nobody riding
yeah. Also,
because it's too hot.
yeah, it's the bar.
Next time you come to Taiwan, you need to ride a scooter.
No, we rode already.
Oh, 你们已经骑过了. Ah, so what does it feel like? Did you wear a helmet?
Yes, man.
Yeah, because if you don't wear a helmet, 500 SG.
Yeah, but it's Yamaha that paid the bill. Is okay.
GJ 在这有什么样的感觉?
No, I was saying that the chassis is quite nice. We were playing like 8. Eight.
Did you get to ride the bike also?
Yes.
What did you feel?
Really agile. The brakes is really good. I think it's important also to have power, especially if you want to stop. It's good to have brakes.
Yeah. But you never use your brakes.
And of course, I use.
You always go super speed.
Yeah, I try, but 3 hours of the stop. And yeah, on the bike, I think is really nice, and I think that especially for the street, but also to go fast, I think it's nice.
Anyways, we're so glad that you guys are here, but because today is a fan meet and greet, so they've been waiting here all day. We're gonna ask some questions from them. Alex, you're gonna go first. You go ahead and just pick anybody you like. 1, 2, 3, 举手. You pick anybody you like.
I trusted you. Come on.
Okay, you trust me? A lot of pressure. 你叫什么名字?
My name is Jake.
Jake.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Hello, Alice. I have a question. I want to know what always.
没关系，你讲中文，这是我的工作。
I'm very nervous.
Oh, he's very nervous, very nervous. 没关系，你可以慢慢的讲，或者你讲中文，我帮你翻译都可以。Up to you. 我知道你很紧张。
I want to know what's about you always prepare before you Sunday and the Saturday racing.
想问礼拜六、礼拜天比赛前做什么样的准备，对不对？
Yeah.
对，就这样问就好嘛。
Usually, I wake up 8 a.m. I go to have a breakfast.
What do you like? Is it always the same? Or you just
Always the same.
I know some athletes before like practice they eat something, but game day they eat something else, right?
I have like many superstitions.
Yes.
So I always stay the same. So breakfast I eat the
Okay.
white omelette
White omelet.
with bread, and then I go to the box to say hello to the
Okay.
team. We do small meeting
Okay, 还会
to summarize the day before and the day is coming. Then back to my office to stretch a little bit, 30 minutes before the session starts, and then yeah, ready to ride.
And then Sunday, same thing.
Sunday same thing. Sunday I wake up a little bit early.
Earlier.
More earlier because we have the warm up
Yes.
9:40. Then hero walk
Uh-huh.
to say hello to the fans and some posters. And then I have lunch when the Moto 3 race finishes.
Uh-huh.
And then nothing. I try to sleep a little bit
Before race.
before race.
Okay. Thank you, Alex. So, Fabio, now you're going to pick your fan and they're going to ask you a question. You pick one. Go ahead. Which one? Right here, you. Okay, you. 你的时间到了. They've been waiting forever, these 4 kids. Okay. 好，站起来，站起来。
Doctor, can you sign for me?
我叫你问问题，你就要签名。One more. You pick another one. You pick another one.
The one with the helmet.
你的问题是什么？
那个，我想要问一下，那个明年的新赛车，
My new car, I don't know yet.
New motorcycle. Next year, new motorcycle. 所以你要问什么？
因为他有骑过了嘛，所以想说有没有潜力？
We try first bike, but not complete 2026 bike.
Okay. Is it fast?
Still not. but
No matter.
but we will work to make it
We will
better.
get it very fast.
We will
We
try.
have a few months.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. 谢谢。Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you sign my helmet?
I think it's unfair that Fabio signed the helmet and Alex didn't get to sign the helmet. So we're gonna sign this helmet too, all right? 拿上来。So what we'll do now is because they already started signing, we're gonna have a raffle. So we're gonna pick 3 fans to come up and take a picture and sign, okay? 等一下，东山林眼。他刚刚看到他的上面写，我不要想谁 MAR， 然后他一按他的手机，音量开是第一开始的访谈。We signed it, but we are not happy. 我们签，但是我们不要快乐的签。好，拍照。好 ，Fabio, Alex, don't smile, no smile. No, 现在换，用他的 home screen, change it now. 好，改了。OK， 然后现在到后台把这个割掉。All right, thank you so much， 给他一个掌声。这个签这个，等一下你帮我拿来。你搞清楚谁要签名了。这次 Alpine 跟 Fabio 的这个联名的超大礼袋 ，Alex 带来的是一组米其林的轮胎，恭喜！接下来我们要拍大合照 ，OK？ 我们要拍一个大合照，1、2、3，耶！这次挥手 ！On the left, you sign half, and then Alex sign half， 好不好？
现在大家正在签名当中。那我觉得最酷的事情是现场这200位的车友然后都可以获得签名的机会，这是太难得。那因为一般我们比如说去 MotoGP 或者是现场看的时候，你很难每个人都能签到名哦。那所以雅马哈办的这个活动，我觉得非常的用心。那因为除了刚刚也有趣的活动或是抽奖合照之外呢，那特别排这个让大家都可以签名这件事情，我真的觉得非常值得。那为什么我一直站在这一区讲这件事呢？因为我要讲这西瓜。刚刚我们在Fabio进来之前这就一直跟着他就他看到这个西瓜之后呢，赶快冲过来拿2块西瓜吃。因为台湾的西瓜太强了吗？总之，我觉得这件事情非常的有趣。那以上就是我们对于这一次雅马哈这种 Riders Day MotoGP 车手来在台湾的这个活动的一些记录那我真的觉得他们活动越办越好。因为上一次如果没记错的话，应该是 Vinales 小牛来台湾， 那这一次就是这2位车手 Fabio Quartararo 跟 Alex Rins 这2次，我觉得不管是规模上或者整体的秩序上面，甚至是奖品各方面，我觉得都比上次更好、更精致那也希望大家多多支持这样的活动，然后能够来享受这样子能够与 GP 车手近距离见面，甚至聊天或者是签名的机会。好啦，那以上就是我们今天影片内容。喜欢的话，欢迎按赞、分享或订阅并给我文章。那我们下次见，拜拜。